creators with zero video editing skills are generating millions of views and building sustainable income streams that will last for years. So I decided to break down exactly what these successful creators are doing, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create unlimited AI videos in bulk using completely free tools with no restrictions. I will also reveal my secret methods to access premium AI models for free and legally, so you can maximize your results. Now, to make this process as smooth as possible for you, I've created the Nano Banana AI Prompt Guide, a complete collection of over 200 ready-to-use prompts specifically designed for bulk video creation. These aren't just random prompts, they're exact ones I use and have tested to generate high-quality, engaging content consistently. Trust me, without the right prompts, you will waste hours troubleshooting errors and getting inconsistent results. This guide eliminates all that frustration. The link is in the video description below. Grab it before you start so you can follow along seamlessly. Alright, let's dive into the first tool. We're going to set up our bulk video system using 4 powerful AI tools that work together perfectly. Now, the first tool you want to use is this one, whisk.com from labs.google. And you can pretty much see that it can create some really cool videos and also images as well. For example, if we take a look here at this one right here, you can see that it's super detailed and it also has this really nice blur added to the cars. For example, we have another one which is looking like a sushi, and this one also looks pretty cool. And then here we also have the videos as well. So we can take a look here. You can see that it has this really cool animated logo. Now, once you are here on this website, click here, enter tool. And once you are here, you will have to describe your idea or roll the dice for prompt ideas. Now, this is what I highly recommend to get unlimited free usage of really cool AI models, such as Gemini 3 Pro. I highly recommend that you guys use lmarena.ai. And once you are here, you will simply select here direct chat, and of course you have to have an account on this platform so you can use it completely freely. And then here on the right you will see pretty much this super popular models. So Cloud Opus, we have Gemini 3 Pro, we have Grok, and then many others like GPT 5.1, but here I recommend that you use this one right here. And then here I have one super master prompt. If I scroll here on top, you can see you're a YouTube story format strategist specializing in short image-based narrated videos. Your task is very simple. Generate 20 original short videos concepts designed specifically for image-based narration. And then down below we have format and structure requirements. And if we scroll here down below, we have visual production requirements as well. So pretty much this is all whisk ready. So one thing which I will do here, I will just simply click on the arrow. And right now with the Gemini 3 Pro, it will start to generate the prompts for all of these options right here. Meanwhile, Gemini 3 Pro is actually doing its thing. The next tool which you want to use is this one right here. This is simple Chrome extension which you can simply install on any of the browsers. It's called autowisk, automation for whisk AI. Simply click here on install. I already have it installed. And then once you are here on whisk, you want to open it, so you can just simply click here on autowisk, and here you have the first menu. The option which I highly recommend is this one right here, version 7.5.1 DOM. Click on this one, and then here make sure that you also change the language here to English. You will be able to do this here down below. And then here you have the prompts option. You can also resize this so we can see clearly. And here you will have to input your prompts. So let's go back here to lmarena. If we can see pretty much if Gemini 3 Pro already did its thing. And then we have here character profiles, video concepts, pretty much scene and everything, the expensive watch, and then here the late night. So pretty much you can copy whichever you prefer. And I think I will go with this story right here. It's called the comparison. So the 11th story, I will just copy the prompts here. So just like this. And then here, as I said to you before, go to autowisk, click on version, and then put in here the prompts. So simple like this. And then you will have to trim out the unnecessary options. So you will have to here, for example, delete the scene and make sure that you are left only with the prompt options. So like this. And then here, repeat the options for every single prompt here. So for example, just like this. And this is just one of the prompts. Julian scrolling on a tablet, face illuminated by screen, jealousy, dark room, close-up, cinematic realism, consistent character appearance. And now once you have pretty much here your prompt list, you want to click on start here and select here run on this project, for example. Right now, Whisk will do everything for you with this autowisk extension. By the way, if you are enjoying this type of content, drop a like down below and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. You can see here that it will save the images on your your computer, and it will also reprompt this whisk tool with the every single prompt you have here under the prompt list. You can see here that it's already started to do its thing. So you can see that everything's pretty much here finished on whisk. Pretty much you can see that it generated a ton of the images, which we can then turn into an animated story. And it also saved every single image, as you can see here, to my computer. And now once you have pretty much these images from whisk, you can go here to this next tool, which is Meta AI. Now this one is also very powerful because you can also animate any image completely for free. Now let's go back here to lmarena where we have the prompt. So pretty much because I used here the comparison story, I will copy the first prompt, for example, just like this. Then you can go to Meta AI, click on plus and add media. And then here I have this simple prompt from lmarena generated with Gemini 3 Pro. And then here I will select also in front, animate my photo. Just like this. And then you will have to repeat every single option here with other images as well. So for example, if you have here 8 images or so, you'll have to repeat the same process for Meta AI to get those free and unlimited AI generated videos from those images. And then for the next animated images, you will have to also input your prompt. So animate my photo and then continue here with the second scene where you have the prompt. Now, once you have here every single image animated here using Meta AI, you can see pretty much also the previews. Make sure that you download them by clicking here on this button to save them on your computer. Now, the next step is to actually create a voiceover using this next tool, which is Google AI Studio. This one is absolutely powerful. And one thing which you have to do here is to click on Nano Banana, or you can simply go here to Google AI Studio, select here, turn text into audio with Gemini. And then here you want to select this first one under the audio. So Gemini 2.5 Pro Preview TTS, click on it. And then here under the mode, select single speaker audio. This is super important. And then under the voice, you can pretty much pick whichever you like. For example, I will go with this one right here. And then you can also type in your style instructions if you want specific tone and also different style. But here you will also have to input your voiceover. So let's go back here to lmarena where we will find this narration option. So make sure that you copy it just like so and then paste it inside Google AI Studio. So like this, and then just copy this line, put it inside Google AI Studio and repeat the process for every single line right here. Now, just in a second, I will also show you how you guys can save this generated voiceover to your computer. So I have this simple text or the narration. I will click here on run in the bottom right corner. Now let's just wait for a few seconds until the speech generation is complete. And now here we can see that the voiceover is 11 seconds long. And if you want to save it to your computer, simply click on 3 dots and select here download. And this should save here this download.wav file on your computer. Now, to put everything together, we're going to use another tool, which is called CapCut. And this one is absolutely insane as well. Just go here and select here, create new. And because this is a YouTube video, we're going to use 16:9 format. So you will be redirected here to this next blank canvas and you want to click here to upload your files. Now, once you have all of your files uploaded here to capcut.com, by the way, I will also put a link for the CapCut in the video description down below so you guys can easily access it. And then here, make sure that you put here your first media. So media 1 should be your first clip. Then continue here with media 2. Media 3 here, so just like this, and then also media 4, which I think should go somewhere here. And now let's also resize here the timeline so we can clearly see it here. And now here we will also have to put our voiceover down below. So for example, just like this, and then we have here to resize our media clips as well. So make sure that you match them with the voiceover. So here you can see that I matched the clips to the voiceover. And now one simple trick you can also do if you want to add captions to the video, you can simply click here on captions and then here select auto caption, automatically recognize speech in videos. Simply click on this and then select your language. I will use here English US. click on generate, and right now it should generate you here some really cool captions, and you can see them right here on the left side. Now, if you want to save your video to your computer, simply click here on export to save the video on your computer. Click on download and select here the resolution. I recommend that you go here with 720p or 1080p. And then quality, recommended quality, frame rate, you can go up to 60 frames. And then format, select MP4. Then click on export, wait for a few seconds, and you should have your brand new AI story. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like down below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all around in the next one.